Hi friends, today I am going to show you a simple method for sharing your internet to your friends. This is a basic simple idea of a Android mobile phone. You can see a setting option here. Just press the settings, then you can see the more. Just press on more. You can find the third option, tethering and portable hotspot. Just press the hotspot, portable Wi-Fi hotspot, make it on. It will be take a few seconds. Okay, this is enough for sharing your internet to your other phone using Wi-Fi. If you want to make a data limit, just press data limit, then you can customize your data limit. If you how many MB you want to give, just press 100 MB or 1000 MB, whatever is up to you. And if you want to create a password for security, you don't want to any other person steal your Wi-Fi, your internet data, you can select the configuration and make the password and click save here. This is a simple and useful uh, tool of all Android phone. I hope you enjoy this video and this is helpful for helping others. Just press like and subscribe my new channel. Thank you.